Good morning, class.
Good
Good
morning,
morning,
sir.
sir.
Morning, sir.
So,
Good morning, sir.
very good morning, all of you. So, can we start today's class now? Okay. So, till the
Yes,
last
sir.
class, what we have studied, that we have learned till resistivity. Yes,
Yes,
I have
sir.
explained you till
Yes,
resistivity.
yes, sir.
Okay. Today, I will send you one PDF. Okay. One home assignment I will send you. You will solve it. Okay. Understood? You will solve that important questions are there, and you will send me that homework in PDF format. All right.
Sir, in Google
Okay,
Classroom.
sir.
You can submit in Google Classroom or you can send in WhatsApp also. Okay. Okay. So have you got your Google Classroom IDs and all?
Yes.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
So
yes,
if you got
sir.
your Google Classroom ID, you can send it there also. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Chalo. Okay then. So let's move on to today's class. Till this much we have studied yesterday. You can see the screen. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Screen is visible.
Yes, sir.
Just hold. Let me get the cursor. Cursor किधर? Just hold on, my dear. I'm not getting the cursor. Okay. Okay. Yeah. Let's see. Now, let's continue the portion ahead. So you have understood what do you mean by resistivity. So what is resistivity, my dear? Let me explain you once again. Let me brush up the previous thing, then we will move on. What is resistivity? Use it. Resistivity is the resistance of a conductor whose area of cross section is 1 meter square and length is 1 meter. Sir, we have got the formula. Rho is equals to RA by L. Yes or no? If A is 1, L is 1, then what will happen? R into 1 by 1, and we will get it as R. So we have got rho is equals to R. Tell me yes or no? So resistivity means what? Resistivity is the resistance of a conductor. Resistivity is the resistance of a conductor. You can see rho is equals to R. R means resistance. Resistivity is the resistance of conductor whose area of cross section is how much? Area of cross section is 1 meter square and whose length is, sir, 1 meter. Tell me, have you understood or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Resistivity
Yes,
depends
sir.
on two factors. Number one is nature of material and number two is temperature. Alright?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
That's good. Chalo. Now what is the next thing that you have to study? Okay? See here, we have to study a very important thing and that is called as electrical circuit. Electrical circuit. What do you mean by electrical circuit? Come on, tell me first. What do you understand by electrical circuit? Anybody? Just give me some ideas. Sir, circuit ये हो सकता है. This can be a circuit. Come on, tell me. I am not asking for definition. Just give an idea. Yes, Dalma. Come on, tell me.
Sir, where wire is attached with bulb and
Very good. Very good. Absolutely. Okay. Very nice. Next, anybody else? Abhay Singh. Yes, Abhay Singh is there. Prakriti. Come on, tell me. What do you understand by electrical circuit?
Sir, I just reviewed right now.
Okay. What about Dalma? Unmute yourself. Yes, Dalma, come on, tell me. Devanya, Dalma, come on. Give me some responses. Sir, ये circuit हो सकता है. I'm not asking a correct answer. I just want to know what you are feeling. Yes? Ankrita, Mithu.
Sir, something related to electric current.
Very good. Something related to electric current. All right. Anything? Ankrita, come on, tell me. Ankrita? Do it fast.
Sir.
Don't waste the time. Yes.
Sir,
Sir, something like circuit.
This circuit something like what?
Sir, sir, something attached with wires.
Okay, very good, very good. Polami,
Sir, current.
current. All right. Chalo. So these are answers you are giving. So you are close to the correct answer. Okay. Just see. Okay, what I am trying to say. Okay. What is electric circuit? Okay. It is a closed conducting path of wires where all the electrical appliances as per need are connected and current flows through it. Current flows through. Okay, see, what is electric circuit? Suppose I want to light a bulb. Suppose I want to light a bulb. So what I will take? Sir, first of all I will take a battery and I will take a switch, and how much current is flowing, to check that I will use an ammeter. Yes or no? Understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So see, this is what, sir? This is a closed path. Can you see anything? Any wire is open here? Any open wire? No. There is no open wire here. Everything is closed. Yes or no? So this is a closed conducting path. Okay, it's a closed conducting path made of what? Sir, made of wires. You can see this path is made of wires. Tell me yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So
Yes,
where
sir.
all the electrical appliances as per need are connected. All the electrical appliances means bulb is an electrical appliance, battery is an electrical appliance, switch is an electrical appliance, ammeter is an electrical appliance. So they are connected as per need. So why I have said sir as per need? Now you see, if I want to light a bulb, bulb चलाने के लिए, shall I bring one AC? Shall I connect an AC here?
No, sir.
No, na. To
No, sir.
एक AC चलाने के लिए shall I bring one bulb here?
No, sir.
No, na.
No, sir.
So as per need, what you want to operate, उसको चलाने के लिए क्या क्या चाहिए? Yes or no? So closed conducting path of wires where all the electrical appliances as per need, कुछ भी उठा के लगा देंगे नहीं, as per need are connected and current flows through it. Current भी जाना चाहिए. Okay, current should flow through it. Understood?
Yes, sir.
So that is called
Yes,
as electrical circuit. Am I clear?
Yes, yes, sir.
Now, sir,
Yes, sir.
you have drawn these all things. This. So what are these? My dear, these are all symbols. Okay. So if you have understood the electrical circuit, now let's discuss something regarding the symbols. Okay. We will discuss about the symbols. Clear? See here. Let's discuss
Yes, sir.
something regarding the symbol. Symbol. And this color is not good. Let me choose something different. Okay. So this is the thing. We have to study about symbols. Now I will draw a few symbols here and you will tell me if you know then what are those things. Okay. These two are same thing, huh? These two are same thing.
Yes, sir.
Again, these two are same thing. Again, these two are same thing. Anything else I haven't mentioned? I think I have mentioned all the things. Okay, nothing else is there. I think so. It's not striking my mind also. चलो कुछ अलग होगा तो I will tell you. Okay, it's different होगा then I will tell you. Clear? So anybody can tell me what is this? The first one.
Sir, an electric.
Or
cell.
electric cell.
Electric
Cell.
cell. Very good. So this is the symbol of a cell. Okay, and this is the symbol of a battery.
Battery.
Yes. So what is the difference between cell and battery? Battery is what? So battery is
A combination of
group of cells. Very good. Group of cells. Very good. Okay. We have wall clock, no? We have wall clock. In a wall clock, everyday company, one thing we just put inside. What is that? Yes, tell me.
battery.
We put a cell there.
Battery.
We put a cell there. Understood? We keep a cell there. Okay, when two cells come in contact with each other, they form a battery. For example, torch. We use two cells. Yes, this much size. Two cells we use. Yes, that forms a battery. Okay, so what is battery? A group of cells. Okay, group of cells forms a battery. Have you understood?
Yes, sir.
Anybody has any problem?
No, sir.
Sure.
No,
Now, what is
sir.
this?
Sir, resistance.
Very good. Very good.
Resistance.
Very good. This is what? Tell me what is this I have written? Variable resistance or
Variable resistance.
rheostat. Its other name is rheostat. Understood? Variable resistance or rheostat. Okay? Both are the symbols of variable resistance or rheostat. Okay? कोई सा भी use करो. Next is bulb.
Bulb.
Next is ammeter. Ammeter is used to
Ammeter.
Ammeter is used
To
to
measure the current.
measure current.
Measure
Very
current.
easy. What trick I have given you? A for ammeter, M for measure. Very easy. A for ammeter, M for measure. Okay? In the word ammeter only will get the answer. Yes or no? Is to measure current. What is this? So this is voltmeter. Used to measure.
Measure potential difference.
Very good. Potential difference. What is this? Sir, galvanometer. Yes or no? Used to detect current.
Detect current.
Very good.
Detect
So
current.
this is the symbol of what? Open switch. Open. Do current flows in open switch?
No,
Do
sir.
do current flows in open switch?
No, sir.
No current flows. We have said that current flow in a circuit and circuit a closed path. Can you see that this path, this is a switch, there is no connection between this half and this half. There is no connection. Yes or no? There is a gap in between. No connection. Here also you can see one path has come like this and it has moved up. And another path is moving like this. There is no connection. Now, in the second case you see, this is a closed switch. Yes? You can see one dot is given in the center. That means inside the bracket one dot is given. That shows the connection. Here also you can see I have attached this to lines. Yes? That means this is a closed switch. Understood? And current will flow. So have you understood? Any problem?
No, sir.
Anybody?
No.
Yes, students, come on, respond. Anybody is facing any problem till this much? Till this portion?
No, sir.
No, sir.
No, sir.
I hope if you
No,
will face
sir.
any problem, you will tell me. Yes or no? Whenever you will face any problem, you should tell me. Clear?
Sir.
Tell me. Dalma, tell me.
Sir, did you give the code of Google Classroom for your class?
Code of Google Classroom? No, my dear, I haven't given. Okay. Then I will provide it to you. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Clear? In your official WhatsApp group,
Yes, sir.
then today I will provide you the code. Okay? Maybe I haven't given, no? Okay, I will give you the code of the Google Classroom in your official WhatsApp group. Alright? Of 10C?
Yes, sir.
Anybody else? Any problem? Devanya?
No, sir.
So how your other subjects are going on? They are going good?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Chemistry has started in your class?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Iravati ma'am is taking? Or Ishita ma'am is taking?
Yes, sir.
Ishita ma'am.
Ishita ma'am. No, sir. Yes, sir.
Ishita ma'am.
Iravati ma'am will be taken now. Ma'am, now Iravati ma'am.
Okay.
Sir.
Okay, no problem. Sure. So this much you have understood? Any problem? Now,
Yes, sir.
very
No,
important thing that we are going to discuss now. Okay, this is a very important thing from the very first I am telling you. Very important thing. Every year, questions of 3 to 5 marks per question comes. Generally, 2 to 3 question comes from this section. Okay, so this section comprises in total of 10 marks in your question paper of board examination. All right, understood? So this is a very important section.
sir.
Remember,
Yes, sir.
and those students who are going to pursue science after this, they will. This is the basic. It's a very basic thing of physics that you will see in your higher classes also. Okay, understood? So that is what. That is combination of resistances. Combination of resistance. Clear?
Yes,
Next week
sir.
I will complete your this chapter. This chapter will be over by next week. Okay? See. So what is combination of resistance? Combination of resistance means joining of resistance. Okay? Joining of two or more than two resistance. Okay? You know combination means joining. Yes or no? So there is a pattern. What is the pattern of joining? Okay? Pattern of joining. So there are two patterns of joining. Okay, the one is called a series combination. Series combination. Another one is called as parallel combination. Clear? Okay. Am I audible? Everyone, come on, tell me fast. Don't delay.
Yes, sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes. So there are two types of combinations, my dear. One is parallel combination, series combination, and another one is parallel combination. Clear? Series combination and parallel combination we need to study separately. Okay? We need to study separately. So let us take one by one series and parallel combination and let us see. Okay? Is that all right?
Yes, sir.
So let's study first series combination. Let's study first series combination.
Siri.
First of all, understand the name of this. Series means what? Series combination means what? First of all, I will show you, then I will explain you. Okay? Suppose.
Good morning, sir.
Very good morning, my dear. Very good morning. Who's this?
Sorry, sir. She was my sister.
Absolutely. Fine. Good morning. What's her name? What's her name?
Sir, she's shame.
Ashamed? Nothing to be ashamed. Okay? When school will reopen, ek baar leke aana. I will just meet her. Okay?
Okay, sir.
She is quite brave. That in the class she has come and said good morning. Yes? She's in which class?
Sir, she's in 2.
Oh, absolutely. Fantastic. Okay? So, chalo. In series combination. You see, first of all, I will show you a diagram of series combination, then I will explain. You see. You can see here, I have connected 3 resistance. Resistance number 1, resistance number 2, resistance number 3. This type of connections are called as series combination. First you see. Okay. So what we have done, always remember, suppose current is going by this path. Okay. Whenever current enters, take this side as positive, and when current leaves the resistance, take this as negative side. Is that all right?
Yes.
Yes? नहीं समझ में आया तो बोलना. ठीक है. करंट जब घुसे उसे पॉजिटिव लो, करंट जहां से निकले उसे माइनस ले लो. ठीक है. अगेन करंट आया, अंदर गया तो पॉजिटिव, बाहर आया तो नेगेटिव, अंदर गया तो पॉजिटिव, बाहर गया तो नेगेटिव. हैव यू अंडरस्टूड दिस मच?
Yes, sir.
ऑल राइट.
Yes, sir.
ओके.
Yes, sir.
करंट कैसे आया सर? तो सपोज को एक बैटरी था और बैटरी से करंट आया. ठीक है. सो दिस इज नॉट अवर कंसर्न करंट कहां से आया. But take it like this: positive, negative, positive, negative, positive, negative. So these are all what? So these are all the positive terminal and the negative terminal. Okay? Is that all right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, that's good. Now, can you see here? Tell me yes or no. We have connected opposite poles here. We have connected opposite poles here. Like this. When opposite poles are connected, yes or no? Or we can say this is end to end connection. End to end connection. Tell me yes or no? Or opposite
Yes,
poles are
sir.
connected, minus plus, plus minus you can say, plus minus you can say they are connected. This is called as, my dear, end to end connection. Okay? End to end connection is something like this. Suppose there is an arrow. This is the head of the arrow. This is the tail. Suppose this is the tail of the arrow. This is the head of the arrow. Now we are again connecting an arrow. This is the tail of the arrow. This is the head of the arrow. Okay? So you can see end-to-end connection. Na? Head and tail are connecting. Clear? So similarly, negative, positive are connecting. So this type of connections are called as end-to-end connection. Yes or no?
Yes,
Anybody?
Yes.
Any
Yes,
problem?
sir.
So
Yes,
what
sir.
thing you have to
No, sir.
remember in series combination is, here we connect the resistances in end-to-end fashion. Okay? End-to-end fashion में we connect the resistances. Have you understood? Number 1. Anybody has any problem?
Yes, sir.
No, sir.
Okay. Next very important thing that you have to remember is, in series combination, current remains same. See, in series combination, current remains same. What do you mean by this? Current I has entered resistance number 1. Same current I will enter resistance number 2. Same current I will enter resistance number 3. And same current I will come out of the resistance number 3, and it will move like this. I. Same current will flow throughout the circuit. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Third thing that you have to remember is, what is that? Third thing is, potential difference varies in series combination. Potential difference varies. That means, for resistance 1, potential difference will be V1. For resistance 2, potential difference will be V2. And for resistance 3, potential difference will be V3. Tell me, have you understood this?
Yes, sir.
So there are 3 thumb
sir.
rules that you have to remember. That in series connection, resistance are connected end to end, number 1. Number 2, current remains same. Okay, and potential difference varies. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, if you have understood these 3 facts, then suppose let me give you, this is resistance number 1, suppose this is resistance number 2, this is resistance number 3. Okay, R1, R2, R3. Now let me connect this with the help of a battery. Are you understanding?
Yes, sir.
See, I am using the symbols here. The symbol is used for resistance and battery. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Suppose this battery is providing V volt. Okay? And due to this potential difference, I current is flowing. Sir, when current enters, you said we have to take it as positive. Current leaves negative. Enters positive, leaves negative. Enters positive, leaves negative. Yes or no? So I current has entered in resistance 1. Similarly, I current will enter resistance 2. And similarly, I current will enter resistance 3 and will come out IR. Is that clear?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
And potential difference will be, sir, here V1, here across V2 and here across V3. Yes?
Yes, sir.
So,
Yes, sir.
can you see here that the battery is providing, suppose VT. VT means V total. This is the total potential provided by the battery. Yes or no? Voltage provided by the battery. VT.
Yes, sir.
VT is the voltage provided by the battery. Tell me yes or no.
Yes, sir.
And this VT is what? This VT is dividing into V1, V2, V3. Tell me yes or no. This V is
Yes,
divided into V1, V2, V3. So can we write down like this? That V total is equals to V1 plus V2 plus V3. Can we write like this?
Yes, sir.
Everybody?
Yes,
sir.
Everybody? Sir,
Yes,
VT
sir.
means V total.
Yes, sir.
VT means V total is equals to V1 plus V2 plus V3. Clear?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
V total can I write down as I into R total. V equals to IR from Ohm's law. V equals to IR from Ohm's law. If V is total, then I is fixed. I have said now, in series circuit, current remains same. That's why I have written I. Okay? And R total. That is all the resistance we have to add and find out the total. Tell me yes or no. Total resistance. So V equals to IR total. Clear? Everybody?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Respond
sir.
me back.
Yes,
Acha,
sir.
what for V1? We
Yes,
can
sir.
write down as I into R1 plus V2. I into R2 plus V3. I into R3. Clear? Using Ohm's law. Sir, what was Ohm's law? Ohm's law said V equals to IR. Yes or no? So for the place of V1, I have taken I into R1. For V2, I have taken I into R2. Sir, V3, I have taken I into R3. Sir, why you have taken I as same? I1, I2, I3 you haven't taken. Because my dear, you can see I is same throughout. In R1 also, I is I. In R2 also, I is, you can see it's I. For R3 also, it's I. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Everybody, respond me back. If you are facing
Yes.
any problem, I can repeat once again.
No, sir.
Everyone, Prakriti, Dalma, Kanchan, Ankrita, come on, tell me. आया समझ कि नहीं आया?
Yes, sir.
प्रतिमा,
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
नहीं आया तो बोलो, शर्माने वाली कोई बात नहीं है. ठीक है? I can tell you once again also. Okay? I am a very bad teacher and I know that I need to explain again and again. चलो, अब देखो, ये I कट गया ना इधर से I कट गया. तो बचा क्या? सर R total is equals to R1 plus R2 plus R3. Tell me yes or no.
Yes, sir.
So in series circuit,
Yes,
remember, in series circuit, if I ask you to find out the total resistance, how you will find out? You will simply add the resistances. Tell me yes or no.
Yes, sir.
So if I give you an example now, you tell me. Yes, suppose I'm giving you an example. This is one resistance, another resistance, another resistance. Yes, battery. Okay, leave this battery's function. This is 2 ohm, this is 5 ohm, this is 7 ohm. Now you tell me what is the total resistance. Come on, fast. What is the total resistance? Come on,
14
fast.
ohm.
So 14.
How you have find out? Sir, R total is equals to
Adding.
R1 plus R2 plus R3. 2 plus 5 plus 7. 7, 7, 14. Have you understood this much? It was
Yes,
easy?
sir.
Easy?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir. So the unit will be ohm, right?
Yes, absolutely. Resistance unit is ohm. I have taught you. Yes, ohm. It is written like this. This is the symbol of ohm. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So have you understood series circuit?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
So,
sir.
my dear, let's revise today's portion, what you have done, and we will complete it here. Alright? Let's revise what we have done. What has happened? Okay. You see here. Okay? I have explained you today again what do you mean by resistivity. Yes, resistivity I have explained you once again. Then we have studied about electric circuit, and I have said that electric circuit is a closed conducting path of wire. Alright, through which current can flow. Yes or no? Then we have studied 10 symbols. Yes, cell, battery, resistance, variable resistance, or bulb, ammeter, voltmeter, galvanometer. Yes, this one, all things we have studied. Yes or no? You have understood? Next,
Yes,
I have moved to combination of resistance, and I have said you that there are two types of combination. One is series and one is parallel. In series combination, we join the resistances end-to-end connection. Yes or no? I have shown you what do you mean by end-to-end connection. Yes, and the thumb rule is that in series connection, current remains same and potential difference varies. Yes. From there, I have given you the derivation for total resistance. Yes, total resistance in series. So in total resistance in series is how much? You have to simply add the resistances. Yes or no? So in general, if I give you the formula, it will be how much? Sir, R total is equals to R1 plus R2 plus dot plus Rn. Okay, this is the formula. For how many resistances? For n resistances. Okay, for n number of resistance, R total is equals to R1 plus R2 plus R3 plus R4 dot up to Rn. Have you understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
After that, we have solved one numerical, simple numerical, and I think your doubts are clear for today. Yes, any problem anybody is facing?
No,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay,
No,
then
sir.
thank you for today. We will stop here.